In this video, I'll show you how to enable wireless debugging on your Android phone. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your device. Next, scroll down and tap on Additional Settings. Then, tap on Developer Options. Once you're in Developer Options, scroll down until you find Wireless Debugging. Tap on Wireless Debugging and turn on the toggle. A confirmation message may appear on the screen. Tap Allow to enable the feature. Wireless debugging lets you connect your Android device to a computer over Wi-Fi for debugging, testing apps, and other developer tasks without using a USB cable. Make sure that both your phone and computer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network for wireless debugging to work properly. That's it! You have successfully enabled wireless debugging on your Android phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Android